Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is Cuisinart's Snow Cone Maker. It's fast and it's fun, and what wouldn't be more fun to do with your friends and family is to make carnival treats right at home. I said it's compact, it's a great color, it's a beautiful bright red. It has these side shelves that fold up for storage, but you can put them down, and you can put your little snow cones right in here. And you get 12 paper cones to start. There's also another shelf on this side. And you also get 4 BPA-free plastic cones that are also reusable. So just gonna put 4 of them over there. It's simple and easy to use. All you do is lift the handle here, and you put your ice right inside, and then you just push the handle down with the machine on, obviously, and that's gonna crush your ice and make it a really, really fine snow cone texture. Never twist or turn this sideways. You always want to go directly straight down on the unit. So here's your toggle switch in the front. It has one position for off and one position for on. I'm just going to turn it on so you can hear. It's quite quiet until you start crushing ice. So like I said, it's compact, it's fun, it's simple to use. So why don't we start crushing some ice and make some snow cones? So we also give you a little scooper here, which I forgot to mention. You just put the ice in the channel, and then I'm just going to start the machine up and start crushing ice. So you notice it turns off when I lift the handle up, so I can add more ice and the machine stops operating. Whoops. Add a little more ice. The other thing too you have to remember to do is obviously when you're crushing ice, I'm going to look in a second, it kind of goes down in one position. You should flatten it out when you get a chance. So let me look and see. See how quickly we made quite a bit of ice. It's going to move it over here. Obviously that's removable. The other great thing about this scooper is that it helps you make your actual snow cones. So you just press, and if you think of it almost like when you're gonna, I live on the East Coast, so you know if you're gonna have a snowball fight, you want to pack it really nice and tight, like so it keeps a nice shape. And then you can have it plain like this, or you can add any type of syrup. We happen to make a homemade syrup using one of our blenders, and you can just add that to the top to make it nice and flavorful and pretty. This would be so much fun to do with my nieces and nephews. It's having carnival treats at home. What